Hi, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to share an amazing recipe with you on how to prepare crispy, crunchy and yummy chaklis. Listen to that crunch. This is exactly how a crispy and perfect chakli should be. And guess what? I'm going to show you the easiest way to make this delight at home. Let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 1 kg of raw rice, half kg of fried chana dal or we call it urigadale or kadale pappu and 200 grams of black gram dal or urad dal. You can try this recipe with any type of raw rice. I have used Sona Masuri raw rice. Roast the rice and then chana dal. Warm it up nicely. No need to overdo it. Just fry until it's warm. But with urad dal, you will have to roast it until it's nice golden brown. Watch closely to see how it's done. Once the ingredients are cooled, it's time to grind them into fine powder. This homemade chakli flour is just like the instant one you find in the market but fresher and tastier. Let's sieve this fine powder and store in airtight container and use whenever you feel like making chaklis. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Now let me show you how to prepare chaklis using this flour. Heat up half to 3/4 cup of oil and pour it over the flour. Mix it up using a spatula. Do not put your hands as it is hot. After a minute, use your hands to mix the flour and press it with your palm. This is the secret for crispy chaklis. Please do find the link for preparing another variety of chakli that is mostly prepared for Christmas in the description box or in the comment section. You would have come across a variety of recipes on preparing chakli. Please do write to me in comments which is your favorite type of chakli. Add water gradually and knead the flour. Don't forget to add salt to taste and continue kneading. When it's almost formed, take a small portion and knead it. It's easy to knead the dough in small portion as it helps to get soft and smooth texture. Cover the rest of the dough with a muslin cloth to keep it moist. Please follow all the instructions and tips that I have mentioned during the video for crispy and crunchy chaklis. Kneading in small portions is very important. Wet your hands while kneading. If the dough is hard or stiff, it may break while you press it. Now let's prepare the mold. Grease it with little oil for easy pressing. You will find different varieties of mold. This one is the easiest as I have tried different types of mold. This is available in any shops or you can also find it online. I will mention the link in the description box in case you want to buy it. Place the dough inside the mold and press the chakli onto the banana leaf or a muslin cloth. This helps it easy to lift and transfer it to the pan for frying. Prepare the chaklis in small batches. See that a batch is fried immediately after pressing it. If you leave it for a longer time, they may get dried and start breaking while you fry them. Try to prepare chaklis on a weekend so that you get help from your family. My mom helped me to prepare some chaklis while my son helped me taste it and let me know if the chaklis were crispy or not. While you prepare the chaklis, simultaneously heat up the oil for frying them. Once the oil is heated, transfer the chaklis to the pan and fry it on both sides. Wow, the chaklis look so beautiful. Just imagine how would they look after we fry them. Let's transfer these chaklis into our frying pan. Fry the chaklis initially on high flame for a minute and then reduce the heat. This ensures they cook evenly and become crispy. Once the chaklis are fried well on both sides, transfer them into the wicker basket for cooling. Once the chaklis are cooled, I seal pack and store in airtight containers which helps in longer shelf life. Crispy and crunchy golden rice chaklis are ready, perfect for your Christmas platter or any festive occasion. Isn't it easy to prepare? Do let me know in comments. This recipe yields 100 chaklis, so according to your requirement, you can adjust the portions of the ingredients. I will mention all the details of this recipe in the description box. So if you have missed something, you will find it there. Thank you so much friends for joining me in kitchen today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned and until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.